Say goodbye to time-consuming rotoscoping in Premiere Pro. In this video, I'll show you a free website that simplifies rotoscoping. Let's dive in. This is the website called Same Meta. I'll leave a link in the description. All you do is come over here, upload your footage and click on the subject you want. After you choose your subject, just hit track object. It's going to run through the entire clip and track it. It's really fast and simple. Click next. As you can see, we have the selected object and the background. You can erase the object or pixelate it. You can basically do whatever you want. Test them and see. For the background, you also have options like erase, gradient, pixelate, or even add in text. But we'll do that in Premiere Pro. Let's erase the background. I need this green screen. Hit next and just download it. In Premiere, all you need to do is drag and drop it above the original layer. Search for Ultra key, drag and drop it into your layer, and in the effects control, use the key color. Click on the green and it's gone. Now all you need to do is add your text or effect. But make sure you're between the two layers. Let me show you how to use my free slide preset to make it easier. Let's use slide down, then down, and boom! Easy slide. Easy rotoscope. What more do you need to click that like button? And watch this video to get the slide preset back. Stay creative and see you in the next one. Peace!